My name is Oktay. Welcome to today's video about the Hubble Space Telescope images. The telescope was named after Edwin Hubble, the American astronomer. His measurements of the redshift gave us an idea about the structure of the universe. The universe is more than the Milky Way. Today we know the Milky Way is just one of 100 to 200 billion galaxies. And Andromeda Galaxy is a separate galaxy. It is a neighbor galaxy of the Milky Way. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in April 24th in 1990 in the Space Shuttle Discovery to Earth's orbit. This is artist's conception of the red dwarf AU Microscopii. It is an M-type star at a distance of 32 light years from Earth. Its mass is about half of the Sun's mass. Diameter is 3/4 of Sun's diameter, and its age is 22 million years, which means this is a very young star. This is another artist's conception of AU Microscopii. This red star has several planets. Both these planets are massive compared to Earth. One has a mass of 20 Earth masses and the other 11 Earth masses. And this red dwarf has a debris disk. This is a Hubble picture from at the top 2011 and bottom 2017 of AU Microscopii. And you can see at the left side, blob has moved here. And this disk contains dust, gas, and planetesimals. And obviously this material is moving through the stellar disk. This radius of this disk is 200 astronomical units. 1 AU is Earth's sun distance, 150 million kilometers. A picture of the object formerly known as Ultima Thule. And this is how a planetesimal could look like. Today this name is 086958 Arrokoth. This is a picture from the New Horizons. This object is at a distance of 45 AU from the Sun, so it's a Kuiper Belt object. Its length is 36 kilometers and its orbital period is 298 years. This is a picture from the digitized sky survey of the star Methuselah Star, HD 140283 at a distance of 190 light years. This is a very old star. There was an estimation from 2000 of the age of 16 billion years, which is a problem because the Big Bang theory says age of the universe is just 13.8 billion years. But with the help of the Hubble Space Telescope and further measurements, there was a correction of this age of 12 billion years. Now it's not in contradiction to the Big Bang theory. This old star has just 81% of Sun's mass, but 4.8 times Sun's luminosity. So aging stars over time get hotter and hotter, and the luminosity increases. This is a picture of LL Pegasi at a distance of 4,200 light years. It's a composite picture of Hubble and ALMA. ALMA is the Atacama Large Millimeter Array Telescope. This is a red giant losing gas. It has a C-star companion. C-star means its companion is carbon-rich in the atmosphere. This red giant has a size of over 10,000 times the Sun's size, and the luminosity over 10,900 times of the Sun's luminosity. This is a picture of the Cigar Galaxy M82 NGC 3034. This galaxy was discovered by John Elad Bode in 1774. It's a starburst galaxy at a distance of 12 million light years. Diameter is 40,800 light years, which means it's about 40% of the size of the Milky Way. And this galaxy is experiencing gravitation from its neighbor galaxy M81. Its supermassive black hole has a mass of 3 million solar masses. For comparison, the Milky Way's black hole is a mass of 4 million solar masses. This is another example which points at a possible relation between the mass of a supermassive black hole and the galaxy it is in. The Cigar Galaxy M82, there was a supernova in 2014. Here. And this picture is from the University of London. This is the neighbor galaxy M81, Bode's galaxy, NGC 3031. It is a size of 96,000 light years. This type of galaxy is called Grand Design Spiral Galaxy with well-defined spiral arms. And 10% of galaxies are Grand Design Spiral Galaxy. This is a companion of the galaxy M81, Holmberg IX. It's an irregular dwarf galaxy, satellite galaxy of Bode's galaxy. It was named after Erich Holmberg, who worked with this on this galaxy. Its age is less than 200 million years, so this is the youngest nearby galaxy, and that's why this galaxy is interesting. This is the Black Eye Galaxy, NGC 4826. It's located at a distance of 70 million light years. Its diameter is 3,800 light years. This galaxy has two counter-rotating disks. This could be from a galaxy merger or from accretion of gas. This is the galaxy NGC 1705 at 70 million light years distance. It's an irregular starburst galaxy, and it's isolated. This galaxy is held together by a massive dark matter halo. Its mass holds this galaxy together. The irregular galaxy NGC 4485 at a distance of 29 million light years. It is distorted and has a high star formation rate. And it is in interaction with its neighbor galaxy NGC 4490. This is the pair of galaxies. It's called ARP 269. At the top, this is NGC 4485. That's the irregular galaxy. And at the bottom, its bigger companion, it's NGC 4490. At 25 million light years distance, a barred spiral galaxy, and it has a starburst activity. This is NGC 4414. It's a flocculant spiral galaxy without a bar. At a distance of 62 million light years, its diameter is 28,000 light years, so it has about 1/3 of the size of the Milky Way. This galaxy was discovered by William Herschel in 1785, and there were 3 supernovas that were detected in this galaxy. This is the Fried Egg Galaxy, NGC 7742. It's an unbarred spiral galaxy, type 2 Seyfert galaxy. It's called type 2 because it has a bright nucleus which is bright in the infrared. It's located at a distance of 72 million light years, has a diameter of 22,800 light years, and 10% of the galaxies are Seyfert galaxies with a bright nucleus. This is a galaxy NGC 7714. It's a spiral galaxy at 100 million light years distance. It's again interacting with another galaxy, NGC 7715. This galaxy was discovered by John Herschel in 1830. This is the Backward Galaxy, NGC 4622. It is at a distance of 111 million light years. It's an unbarred spiral galaxy, and the outermost spiral's arms move clockwise. This is the galaxy NGC 922. A peculiar galaxy, which means it is unusual in shape, size, or composition. It is at a distance of 142 million light years. In the center, there was a collision with a smaller galaxy, which happened about 300 million years ago. This is the active spiral galaxy NGC 5793 at a distance of 150 million light years. It's a type 2 Seyfert galaxy with luminous center, and it contains mega masers, which are astronomical lasers that emit microwaves. The Tadpole Galaxy UGC 10214 R188 at a distance of 420 million light years has a trail of stars which is 280,000 light years long. This is a product of another merger of galaxies, and this galaxy contains many star clusters. This is Hoag's object. It was discovered by Arthur Hoag in 1950. It's a ring galaxy. The distance of 600 million light years. Its diameter is 121,000 light years. Its mass is 700 billion solar masses. For comparison, the Milky Way solar mass is at least 800 billion solar masses. Could be also even more than 1 trillion solar masses. You can see this is a perfect ring, but it's too perfect, and this is a mystery because there are no signs of a merger, and how this was this structure formed. This is still an open question. This is again the ultra deep field of Hubble in 3D. You can see the distribution of the galaxies in space. And this is a computer simulation of a filament structure of the universe in a box of 140 million light years size. And this is a good question for a computer simulation. The only force that forms these structures is gravity. And you can simulate with a computer if this can really be happening within the 13.8 billion years of the universe, and the computer models usually fit very nicely with the measured pictures of the telescopes. And one very impressive number is the estimated number of atoms in the universe, which is estimated to be between 10 to the 78 to 10 to the 82. And that was today's video about the Hubble Space Telescope images. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.